This video is going to show you how to get your images off of the Photos app, if they are saved in there, into a folder. If you're trying to create a contact sheet or open an image in Photoshop and your image is in this Photos app, it's not going to recognize the file format and it won't open your photo in Photoshop. So it's important to always have your images separate from this Photos app in a file on your desktop or saved somewhere. So right now I have some images here in my Photos app that I need to get into a folder. So instead of my Photos app filling my entire screen, I'm going to make sure that my Photos app is off to the side a little bit so that I have space over here to create a new folder. I'm going to click on my desktop with 2 fingers. I'm going to hit New Folder and then title it. So you can call it Project 1 or whatever you're working on. Highlight your images that you want to download. So you can click on your first photo, hold down Shift, and click on your last image, and that will automatically highlight all of them for you. And then you can click on your photos and drag them into the folder where it's until it has that plus button and drop them into the folder. And then all of your photos will start to load. If you have a lot of images, so maybe 50 to 100 photos you're trying to drag and drop into a folder, it might not show up right away in the folder, and this is because there's so many pictures that the photo app is trying to download. So give it some time. Never click and drag your photos from the Photos app into a folder multiple times, even if they don't show up at first. And this is because your images will create duplicates if you do that. So just click and drop them once, give it some time to download.